Welcome to another video on the channel. We are in Tungnath right now and we've been here for the last 3 days constantly looking for just one good shot of the Himalayan monal and constantly going up and down the hill all day long in the field, but we haven't got it so far. What does it tell you? That if you're starting with wildlife photography, make sure that you make patience part of your soul. There will be times when everything is just going to be so perfect. The lighting is perfect, the subject is there, the camera is there, you're about to press the shutter button, but something or the other happens and you miss the shot. It happened with me yesterday. I've been waiting for the Manal entire day to come out on the road. It comes there on the road every day. हमने 3-4 घंटे वहाँ पर लगाए. Right before it was about to come on the road, 3 bikers came and the Munal went away. So these kind of things keep on happening in wildlife photography. So in today's video, we are going to talk about how you approach a bird in the right manner, especially the shy birds which are not very comfortable with the human presence. Let's start. So first things first, don't startle the bird. If you're walking somewhere and you see the bird, don't pick up your camera and start shooting. These kind of sudden moments make the birds very uncomfortable and they tend to get startled and they tend to fly away. So don't do that. Don't be clumsy. Be gentle. Make sure that your moments are soft, and of course, make sure that your phone is on silent always. Second, don't walk to the bird directly. Kneel down a little. Crawl to the bird, even better. The less noticeable you are, the better. Don't keep walking continuously. Just take a couple of steps and look at the bird. If the bird thinks that you're a threat, you need to stop right there. If the bird is getting a little uncomfortable and if the body language of the bird is not very comfortable and it's showing through the body language, stop there. Take a couple of shots and then walk more. If it suddenly becomes attentive, stay there. Then wait for a couple of minutes, look at the bird. The moment it's a little comfortable, then start walking towards the bird. Third, try and hold your camera as close to you as possible. Let the bird feel that it's part of your body. Get into its surroundings. If possible, you can walk diagonally. Don't let it feel that you are straight away walking in its direction and posing as a threat. Once the bird is comfortable in your presence, it's going to give you much better shots as compared to if you stalk the bird, run behind the bird, or keep on startling it again and again. Also, one common mistake we do is we look at the bird, we start walking towards the bird and we don't take any shots. We keep on waiting for that particular moment wherein which we want to be reasonably closer to the bird and take that shot. Don't do it. Keep shooting after every few steps. If you wait for the last moment, high chances the bird might notice you and fly away. Hide your face behind the camera so that you don't directly look at the bird. Another thing you can do is try and observe the bird behavior. Keep an eye on the bird while you're walking towards the bird. Make sure its body language is calm and composed and it's not getting attentive in your presence again and again. Also, don't walk in groups. If you're going for birding with your friends, try and do it turn by turn. Probably spread out. You go behind one bird, the other person can go behind the other bird. When you're not alone, the bird might feel more pressure, the bird might feel more concerned, and of course you will make a little more noise as compared to if you're shooting alone. So that is very important. Normally when we go birding, try and go alone. Make sure that you sit at a spot, wait there and be alone all this while. Remember again, you can never get good images if you irritate or startle the bird. And in the end, remember your limits. Be human. Or rather, don't be human. Be compassionate. We use telephotos in wildlife for a reason, so that we can maintain a safe distance from the animals and birds. Don't try to take undue advantage if you think that the subject is cooperating. Don't go too close. You don't have to unnecessarily make sure that the bird flies away in your presence and then only you stop shooting. If you have your shot, let the poor fellow breathe.